Hello, Human Air here, smack dab in the middle of London. GDPR went into effect over a year ago, and I'm out on the streets to find out if that's been enough time for people to figure out what it is. What do you think GDPR stands for?
I have no idea.
Do you know about GDPR?
No.
Are you familiar with GDPR?
No, I never heard of it.
GDPR.
Have you ever heard of GDPR?
No.
Yeah, no one has. If you had to guess what it is, GDPR, what would you guess?
Oh, you've got me here. I've just had a full breakfast and my mind's not all there.
What do you think GDPR stands for?
Oh God, don't go there.
Go on, babe, you give it a go.
I've got no clue.
What is GDPR?
Growth Democratic Population Dimension.
Yes, I believe that's correct.
Global
Danger.
P.
P is a word and a letter. Here's an easy way to remember it. You just say G to the D to the P to the R. G to the D to the P to the R.
No, I don't.
You don't sing? Sorry, they're looking for me. How are you adjusting to the new GDPR regulations?
It's very complicated. It's the data protection regulations.
Ding, ding, dang, you knew it. Cool. Did you know?
Yeah, what she said.
All right, I'll sing, you just dance. G to the D to the P to the R. G to the D to the P to the R.
It's G to the D to the P to the R.
What's G to the D to the P to the R?